This is how request memoization works in Next.js. So for example, we have a post page that renders details about a post given a ID supplied in the URL. Inside of this page, we have a helper function called getPost that simply calls an endpoint to fetch details about our given post. So this function itself is called twice within our render process. So during the first process or the first step of rendering our route, we're going to call this function for the first time and we're going to say, hey, have I already done this before? If not, we're going to go ahead and fetch that data from our API. And then moving on to the next step of our render process, we see we have this function again. So we're going to say, hey, have I already done this? In this case, we already have. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the cache to get this data instead of doing the same computation task or calling the API again like I already did to save myself some work. So once the route has finished rendering and the rendering pass is complete, the memory will be reset and all request memoization entries are cleared.